This is just a short video to show you how to use the quadratic formula. It's just a matter of sticking in the numbers, but the way which I describe here avoids the common errors. The example I will do is 3x squared minus 5x minus 7 equals 0. First of all, to identify the A's, the B's and the C's, you can see here that A equals 3. Always actually do this bit as well. It makes it a lot easier to understand and to check. We get C equals minus 7. Now I advise to put both B and minus B. It makes it easier later on. So B is minus 5, so minus B is 5. Time now to look at the formula. What I advise doing is do the square root bit first. Don't try and do the whole thing, but do the whole of the square root. So using the same notation as is on the calculator, square root, open your brackets, b squared minus 4ac, close the brackets, equals, now open the brackets. The calculator does that bit. Now you've got to use another set of brackets because the b is a minus number. So put the minus number in brackets if you're squaring it. And then minus 4 times 3 is a normal number, but 7 it's a minus 7. So you've got to put it in the brackets when you're multiplying. So minus 7, and that gives, remember to close the brackets, and that is what we're going to do on the calculator. You now pick up your calculator and just start, open the brackets, and then you need your other set of brackets. You can put either minus in that you like, then squared, then minus 4 times 3 times, and remember to put your last one in the brackets. So you put minus 7 and then close both sets of brackets, press equals, and you get 10.44. Now we're going to do this one to one decimal place, so I always advise taking another place during your working. So to 2 decimal places we get 10.44. Now we've now got 2 solutions we want to look at, the plus and the minus. So we've got minus b, the plus one is plus 10.44 all over 2 times a, because it's 2a, so it's 2 times 3, which, because we're adding numbers and taking away in the top, always bracket, and if you're multiplying in the bottom, bracket as well, except we'll just put in 6 for 2 times 3 there. But it's good practice to, if there's more than one thing in the bottom, bracket it. The other value is minus b minus 10.44, and it's all over 2 times, oh, I put in there, I should have put at that stage, I should have actually put 2a, so you can see what's going on. So that's all over 2 times a. Putting in the numbers, minus b, as I said, if you put it this way around you can't get confused. So minus b is 5, so you just go 5 plus 10.44, and on the other side it's 5, take away 10.44, and each of them we're dividing by 2 times a, which is, you can put 2 times 3, but that gives you, or in fact I'll just put 2 times 3, and that gives you the 6. So 2 times 3, but on the calculator we're going to put that in. Now watch, the big thing is brackets. If you don't put the brackets in, you'll not get the correct answers. All we do now is grab the calculator, you go open brackets, 5 plus 10.44, close your brackets, divided by, and just do the 2 times 3 equals 6, but if you're going to put in 2 times 3, remember the brackets, and that gives us 2.57. So we want it to one decimal place, our answer, So 2.57 gives us 2.6. So one of the answers is x equals 2.6, and the other answer is x equals, and we go open brackets, but you could just change it on the calculator, put 5 minus 10.44, close your brackets, divided by 6 equals, and we get minus nothing point, and it's 9066. We want it to one decimal place, so that gives us minus 0.9. And that is how you use the quadratic formula. Now I'm going to give you a couple of examples to do, so when I put them on the screen, pause it after you get the example on the screen, then do the problems, and then press play on the movie and take it on to the next bit, and then press pause again and you'll get the solutions. So the problems that I'd like you to do are these ones. We've got, put that one around. These are problems there I'd like you to do. So if you actually just pause your screen anytime now, and hopefully you paused it by now, and now when you put the screen back on, here's your answers and the working done for you. So if you didn't get these answers, have another look at the video and then try them again. You can see, always put these bits at the top, always do write out what your A, B's and C's are, and watch that you get your brackets in. But on the bottom, if you notice there, I did not bracket these bits there, which is quite a good important bit, but you would put these in your calculator like that. And that is how you use the quadratic formula.